Students, welcome to Unitary coaching classes. This is the fourth class of Unitary method. Today I will do some problems. Just look at the problem. In an educational camp, there are 250 students. They have stored food for 28 days. After 17 days of camping, 25 more students come in. Now, how many days will the stored food last? Okay. Just look at the problem. 25 students can feed for 28 days. After 17 days, 25 more students come in. That means at first 28 the food lasts for 28 days. Up to 17 days they have taken the food, and after 17 days the remaining 11 days 25 more students, that is 250 plus 25 equal to 270 students feed. Then how many days will take to consume the foods? Now how many days will stored food last? How many days it will be last? So before to do the tabular structure, I have to do some simple calculation. The remaining days equal to 28 minus 17 equal to 11 days. Now the number of students. Number of students equal to 250 plus 25 equal to 275. If no students join, then 250 students can feed the remaining food for 11 days. Got it? If no new students join, then 250 students can feed for the remaining food, can feed with the remaining food 11 days. But now the number of students is 275. Then how many days will the stored food last? I have to calculate it. So just tabular structure. Number of students and days. Food last. $250 students. Don't write this one because I have to calculate the remaining days, not 28 days. 250 students, food last for 11 students. If just concentrate on my talk that remaining 11 days, the number of students, the food lasts for the 11 days. But now the number of students is 275. Then how many days will it last for? If you take the 28 days, then it will be wrong because 17 days gone. Now the remaining 11 days. If no more students join, then 250 students can feed for 11 days. But now the number of students is 275. Then how much days the remaining food will last for I have to calculate it. Then 250 students feed for 11 days. One student can feed for, the relation is, tell me, relation is 250 students, one student can feed for more days. Relation is indirect because 250 students can feed for 11 days, then one student, it will take more time to consume the food, and 275 student can feed for 11 into 250 by 275. I divide it by 25. Got it? 275 students can feed for 11 days. Therefore, the answer is the stored food will last for 10 days. Have you got it? Don't confuse for the 28 days. Always calculate how many days remaining days, and after that the problem is too easy. And what will be the number of students now? 250 plus 25, 275. Then the number is, a calculation is very easy. Just you have to think about these two lines. This is the important line. Remaining days and the number of students. Otherwise, there is nothing in this sum. Just I will do one more, and after that I will finish this class. Just a minute. Now the question number 6. Please go through the problem. In a place, food is stored for the consumption of 40 people in 190 days. After 30 days, 8 people leave. How many days will the stored food will last for the remaining people? Before to make the tabular structure, I have to calculate like the previous problem. 40 people can feed for 190 days. Then, but after 30 days, 8 people leave. If no people leave, then first of all I calculate the remaining days. The remaining days are 190 minus 30 equal to 160 days. Now number of people. 8 people live, then 40 minus 8 equal to 32. Structure is the how many it is? Number of people, food last, number of people is now, at first it was 40. If 40 people feed, then by the remaining food it will last for 160 days. The remaining food will last for 160 days. But now the number of people is 32. Then how many days will the food last for if 32 people feed? I have to calculate. With the remaining food, if the 40 people feed, then it will last for 160 days. But now the number of people is 32. So with the remaining